I'm Ashley Russell, and I'm Business Projects Manager for LBX Company, and we sell link belt excavators in the U.S. and South America and in Canada. We have been with Innovia for 8 months, about. Other companies that are considering Innovia, I would say just, talk to them if you haven't. I would say their level of involvement with NAV, with NAV UG, I guess maybe Dynamics 365, Business Central, whatever's happening there, is just really cool. They're really involved in everything, and they always do their best to stay out in front of what's happening and make the best recommendations for your company. So we've definitely, our expectations have definitely been exceeded just with the relationship with Tom, and also just impressed with what he's done for us so far, and it's only been 8 months. But he has just really helped come to our company and just help us develop our overall systems visions, and he'll get in front of the executives with me and just really work closely with me. So that's definitely been impressive and exceeded our expectations.